There is one moment every single night when your brain does something you have never seen. It takes exactly 90 minutes, and your alarm clock cuts it short every morning. This is not about tiredness. This is about something your brain is actively doing to protect you. Every night, while you sleep, your brain cycles through to completely different states. The first is deep sleep. Your body repairs tissue. Your immune system works. Your heart rate drops. The second state is REM, rapid eye movement. And this is where it gets strange. During REM, your brain is more active than when you are awake. Your muscles are completely paralyzed. Your eyes dart. You dream. But REM is not just about dreams. Scientists at Berkeley discovered something in 2011. During REM sleep, your brain replays every painful memory from the day, but it strips out the emotional charge. The memory stays. The pain fades. REM sleep is the only known mechanism in the human brain that does this. Matthew Walker, neuroscientist at Berkeley, calls it overnight therapy. Every REM cycle lasts about 20 to 30 minutes, and the longest ones happen after 6 hours of sleep. Which means if you sleep 6 hours instead of 8, you don't lose 25% of your REM. You lose almost all of it. The emotional wounds from that day stay open, unprocessed, waiting. This is why sleep-deprived people are significantly more emotionally reactive. Their amygdala, the brain's threat detector, becomes 60% more reactive after one bad night. Walker's team showed people disturbing images. Rested brains processed them and moved on. Sleep-deprived brains lit up like a fire alarm and couldn't stop. One night. That's all it takes. Now here is the part nobody tells you. REM sleep doesn't start at midnight. It doesn't start at 1 a.m. It builds slowly across the whole night. The peak of the deep emotional repair happens between 6 and 8 hours after you fall asleep, which is exactly the window most people cut off with an alarm. We set alarms to be productive, but we are cutting the one process that makes us emotionally capable of being productive. The 3 a.m. feeling of that dread, that heaviness, is not anxiety. It is your brain trying to do its job, and you interrupted it. For 300,000 years, humans slept until sunrise. No alarms. No meetings at 8. You are not broken. You are just being woken up at the wrong moment of a process that took millennia to build. And nobody told you.